Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday. Moon meter check in. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling very happy because it's finally Friday. We finally get to have 3 days off. Much deserved. Everybody should be feeling happy. Happy, happy, happy. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. And finally, Sunday. Today we are Friday, September 4th, 2020. Let's go over the months of the year. We start off with January, then February, then March, then April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. A reminder for everyone, please stay active. Remember, we have a 3-day weekend. Everyone stay active. Go out and play, have a good time, but most importantly, stay safe and stay hydrated. Today's agenda is IEP goals. Life skills lesson of the week. Remember, fold your clothes and help your parents out. And lastly, teacher contact information. All right, Peacocks, it's Friday. Let's finish the day strong.